Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to take a metal flower pot from the Dollar Tree or any store and create it into a watermelon piece that is going to be so adorable. This one actually had some twine at the top, and so we're actually going to leave that because we're going to make that the rind of our watermelon. You're going to want to cover the entire thing with a coat of white paint. Chalk paint is best. If you don't use chalk paint, it can chip really easy on the metal. So go ahead and adhere a coat of chalk paint in your favorite red color. And then we're gonna move on to the twine. We're gonna paint it two different colors of green. I have a lime green and then I have a darker green that we're going to use. To do the next step, you're definitely going to want to make sure your can is completely dry, or else this will not work. You're going to take a paint pen. I love Posca paint pens, I love Magnolia paint pens, and we're going to just make little teardrops. These are going to be our watermelon seeds. Once that is dry, we're going to add a little accent with a little bit of white that you're going to see here in just a second. Once it's all done, you can plop some red flowers in there, whatever you want to do. I had some, these came from Dollar Tree. They were red daisy looking things, and then I had some white little accents that we added in, and this was just really cute. If you're having a 4th of July party, any summer party, and you want to use some decorations with watermelons, this is the perfect thing, and it really, really is so easy. Here's where I actually took the white paint and I'm just making a little accent piece on all of the beads, kind of like a highlight piece. What do you think? I absolutely love this project. It is one that was super easy and quick to put together. If you love this DIY and like all things home creative, make sure you're following me at theruffleddaisy.org and on all the social media channels.